How to create a homepage in Wix. In this video, I'll show you how to create a homepage in Wix.
So to get started, your homepage is your digital storefront. It should welcome, guide, and convert. In Wix, you get total creative freedom, but strategy still matters. So in order to do that, what you have to do once you're in the Wix dashboard, all you have to do is to click on this edit site button right here, or if you don't have an existing site yet, just click on this three button right here and then click on create new site. Once your website editor has loaded, all you have to do is to click on this add elements right here. And then from here, you can add several elements on your page. You can also add several sections, like you can have an about section, team section, but since what we need is a home page, we need this welcome page. You may also generate section through AI. After choosing a template, if you choose a template, think about your homepage like a story. The first chapter is your hero section. Add a bold underline, a quick intro, and a strong CTA like start now or see my work. For example, I have here all videos that my viewers can click. Under that, create sections that speak to your audience, maybe your services, testimonials, or an about preview. Don't overload your homepage, just give enough for them to click deeper into the site. Like what I told you, you can add your sections from here. You can just choose whatever section you'd like and you can just drag and drop it to your website. Stick with two or three fonts max and then keep the color schemes consistent. Use white space to make things feel breathable. Or you may also use black like what I did here. Avoid animation overload because less is always more, unless you are offering video services. Wix has a mobile editor as well, so be sure to check the mobile view. You can find it just right here. You can click on that and it will automatically show you the mobile view of your website. Many visitors browse from their phones, so mobile friendliness isn't optional. Once you're happy with your layout and flow, hit publish. You may find it here, or you may also preview your website first. And that's how you create a homepage in Wix.